Are you too facing problem with eBay website? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you wanna try doing is head over to the website of eBay. If it is not working, then you can try reloading the website once. If not, check whether the server is down or not. In the address bar, search for eBay outage. Tons of different websites will be available to you. Scroll down and you can head over to this one. Click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. So right here itself you can see it says user report shows possible problems with eBay, which means that the server of eBay website is down. In this case, all you can do is wait for the server to get fixed. Now the other thing you can try doing is you can try using different web browser. If you are using Safari, then try changing it to Chrome. It might fix the issue as well. If not, head over to the settings of device. Inside settings, move into general. Scroll all the way down and move into VPN and device management. You have to try connecting to different VPN server. If not, you can download the application VPN and connect it to different server. It might fix the issue that you have been facing, and also try checking whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, you can also try using cellular data, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helps you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.